Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Klarna and Scalepay. In order to do so, here we are at scalepay.com and we're also at Klarna.com. What does Cider have to say about Klarna and Scalepay? Well, Klarna and Scalepay are both payment solutions that facilitate online transactions, but they serve different markets and offer distinct features. Here's a comparison of the two. Klarna is primarily a buy now, pay later service that allows consumers to make purchases and pay for them over time. It targets a broad audience, including consumers and retailers, providing flexible payment options for online shopping. Scalepay is similar in that it offers buy now, pay later options, but it also focuses specifically on enhancing the shopping experience in the fashion and beauty sectors. It aims to simplify the payment process for consumers while providing merchants with tools to improve conversion rates. Klarna has payment flexibility. It offers various payment options, including pay later, pay in installments, and financing. Partners with a wide range of retailers across various sectors, providing extensive options for users. Users can manage their purchases through the Klarna app, which includes features like payment, orders, and managing payments. Scalepay offers a streamlined checkout experience specifically designed to reduce cart abandonment, particularly in fashion and beauty. It allows customers to pay in installments, which can attract more buyers in the fashion industry, provides merchants with marketing and engagement tools to enhance customer loyalty and conversion rates. Klarna is widely accepted by numerous online retailers across various industries. It integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, making it accessible to a large number of businesses. Scalepay, while it has partnerships with various retailers, its reach is generally more limited compared to Klarna. However, it focuses on building strong relationships with fashion and beauty brands. Klarna emphasizes a user-friendly experience with its app and website, making it easy for customers to manage their payments and purchases. It also includes features for discovering new products and offers. Scalepay aims to provide a seamless checkout experience to minimize friction during the purchasing process, particularly in mobile shopping. The focus on fashion and beauty creates a tailored experience for users in that section. Klarna charges merchants a fee for each transaction process, typically based on the payment plan chosen by the customer. The fee structure may be based on the retailer's agreement with Klarna. Scalepay also charges merchant fees per transaction, which may vary on the partnership terms. Its approach to pricing focuses on the specific needs of the fashion and beauty industry. Choose Klarna if you're looking for a widely accepted buy now, pay later solution with extensive retail partnerships across various sectors and robust consumer management features. Choose Scalepay if you operate in the fashion or beauty industries and want a tailored checkout experience designed to optimize conversions and customer engagement in this specific market. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.